Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to change the wax filter in a custom hearing aid that uses WaxStop wax filters. So these they come in a small gray package like so. And when you open up this package, there are several black sticks inside. These are going to be used to change the wax filter, which resides right at the tip of your hearing aid, the part that goes into your ear. So in order to change this filter, we're going to go ahead and remove one of these black pegs. On the stick, you will see one side has an empty part to remove the existing filter, and the other side has a new filter that we will place in the hearing aid afterwards. In order to remove the filter that's currently in our hearing aid, we're going to put in the empty side of the stick, like so. Then we pull out, the filter has remained on the tip of the stick. Then you flip the stick around and you place the new filter right into that same hole of the hearing aid. And you'll see that the filter has remained in the tip. Now you have finished changing the wax guard in your hearing aid. These sticks are single use, so you can throw that away the next time you'll take a new stick from the package.